Hey everyone, welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create a list view in Salesforce. We will learn about the process of creating a list view in Salesforce, and we will also learn how to edit and delete this list view in Salesforce. So firstly, we will understand what is list view in Salesforce. In Salesforce, a list view is a powerful feature that allows the user to view, filter, and manage records for any object, such as leads, opportunities, accounts, etc., based on a specific criteria. It helps the user to quickly find the relevant records without having to go into individual records or reports. So let's proceed and move to our Salesforce account and learn how to create a list view in Salesforce. So here I open my Salesforce account and by default it is open in the Lightning edition. If you are not in the Lightning edition, firstly switch to the Lightning one and then proceed and learn how to create the list view in Salesforce Lightning. So firstly we click on the app launcher and then select the sales, and so for this I enter the sales in the search box and click on the sales option, and it will redirect us to the sales page. And here we can see lots of tabs are present on the navbar, and here we select any of the tab to create the list view, and here I select the lead tab and it will redirect us to the My Leads tab page, and here I click on the recently viewed option and it will show you my important leads and my leads. And if you click on this my important lead, it will redirect you to the my important lead page, and then again click on the recently viewed page. You can see if you click on the my leads and it will redirect us to the my leads page. So similarly like this, I want to create a list view. So you can see that it means a list view to get the users which are from the different state, or I can say that different countries. I have to create a list view for it. So I click on the gear icon. This is gear icon. Click on that. And here I click on the create new view. So click on this create new view and it will open the dialog box create new view. So here I enter the lead view name as a country view and then enter the lead view API name which is automatically generated, and then you can see there is a who sees this lead view. There are options present, only I can see this or all user can see this. Here I choose the all user can see this. Include all user who can access your lead. Only those user can see this view, and I click on the save button. And our list view country view was created. Now second one is I want to select the filter option. So again click on these, and here you can see on the right side filters dialog box is pop up. Here you can see the save filter option. So basically I used to filter out the records, like while using an e-commerce website you will get a filter like low to high price or high to low, etc. Similarly like that you will create a filter. So here I want to filter out the leads on the basis of the country. So here I have to add a filter. So I click on the add filter option. Here is my add filter option and the dialog box is pop up. Select the fields, and here I select the field as a country. So search the country here, and here is the country. Select that as a field. Then I set the operator as a equals, and I have to set it value to USA. USA. And then I only want the record that have a country USA, and click on the done option. If you want any other filter, then you again click on the add filter option, and here is our add filter option. You can again click on it and then filter out the option, and but I don't want, so I will click on the save button that is present above. So from this drop down arrow, you have to select the country view, and I will show you the records, but there is no record present which is related to the country USA. If you enter any record related to the USA, then the record is shown under this list view, country view. So with this we have learned to create the list view. Now our next step is how we can edit it. If you want to modify something in it or add one more filter, so from this drop down arrow, firstly you have to select the list view, and here I select this country view and want to perform the edit operation, and from here I click on the gear icon, and here you can see there is a rename option present. Click on this rename list view, and here I will add a new name of my list view. So I set it name to as a first name with C and country name. Enter this and then click on the save if you want, and then click on the save button. So here you can see that it will update my list view as a first name with C and country view. So if you want to change or edit the sharing setting on the list, so again click on this gear icon, and you can see that it has an option sharing settings. Click on this, and so while creating the list view I set it to all user, but now I want to change it only I can see this view. So I change it and click on the save button. Now you again click on the filters, and if you want to add it more filter, then you can add it by clicking on the add filter option. I select the field as a first name. So here I select the field as a first name, and then select the operator that is started with the value C, and then click on the save button and click on the save button, and here we go, our list is updated, and you can see our another filter is first name start with C. First filter is country equals to USA, and the second filter is first name start with C. And here if you want to change the fields to be display, you can change it. For this you again click on the gear icon, and here you can see there is a select fields to display option present. You can click on it, and here you can see the available field and the visible fields are present. You can change it. So we have to add the fields from the available box to the visible fields that you want to show, and if you want to remove some fields, you have to remove it out from the visible field box to the available field box. So firstly I remove the unwanted field from the visible field box. So I click on this title and then remove this, and then I want to remove the last activity field, so I remove this, and I also want to remove this lead status. I want to remove this. Now this time I want to add the fields to the visible field, so I can add it. I want to add this country field, so I can add it, and also want to add this annual revenue, and I can add this, and then click on the save button. One more thing, we also sorted out these fields, so we again click on the select field, and we can sort it out. If I want this country above the company, so I can simply click on this above arrow, and our company move upward and placed upon the company, and hit the save button. Now we want to discuss how we can remove this list view. Sometime of a moment you don't need a filter anymore, so you want to also delete it. So for this you have to select the name of the filter you want to remove. Now we will learn how to delete this list view. Maybe sometime we don't need this list view. So I want to remove this list view. So firstly click on the list view which you want to delete. As I want to delete this first name with C and country view list view. So and then click on the gear icon and here you can see the delete option present. Click on this delete. The delete dialog box is pop up if you want this list view. It's permanently deleted for all users. Are you sure you want to delete it? If you want to sure you want to delete this, then click on the delete button and you can see the lead view first name with C and country view was deleted successfully. You can also check it by simply click on this drop down arrow of my list and you can see now a list view with a name first name with C and the country view. So with this we have learned how to create the list view, how to edit it and also delete it by simply doing some steps in Salesforce. So if this video was helpful, click on the like button and also subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos like this one. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.